This wall-mount fiber optic enclosure is designed for clean, secure, and efficient fiber cable management. Its durable metal structure and compact design make it ideal for indoor fiber distribution and network organization. The enclosure allows technicians to easily store, route, and protect fiber cables while maintaining a tidy and professional installation. It is commonly used in fiber to the home deployments, telecom cabinets, and enterprise network environments. FiberMania offers a wide range of fiber enclosures with original equipment manufacturer customization services. Whether you need different capacities, cable entry designs, or branded products, our team can support your specific requirements. FiberMania delivers reliable fiber solutions built for modern networks.